ASM Academy and AU Publication present Microwave Spectroscopy by Dr. A.M. Uthman Mohideen. It is also called rotational spectroscopy. The rotational spectral region 10 to the power of 9 to 10 to the power of 11 Hz or 3 into 10 to the power of minus 1 to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. The condition for rotational spectra, the molecule should possess permanent dipole moment. Example, all homonuclear diatomic molecule possess zero dipole moment, H2, Cl2 and Br2, and these molecules are microwave inactive. All heteronuclear diatomic molecule possess permanent dipole moment, HCl, CH3Cl, C6H6, BCl3 and H2O, and these type of molecules are microwave active. The energy of rigid rotator is Ej is equal to h square by 8 pi square I into J into J plus 1. J is known as rotational quantum numbers and it takes value 0, 1, 2, etc. I is the moment of inertia. The selection rule for rotational spectra is delta J equal to plus or minus 1. J equal to 0 to J equal to 1 and J equal to 1 to J equal to 2. For that the value delta J equal to plus or minus 1 and these transitions are allowed transition. J equal to 1 to J equal to 3 and J equal to 0 to J equal to 1. For that delta J equal to plus or minus 2 and these transitions are forbidden transition. Rotational constant value B equal to h square by 8 pi square I and the rotational energy Ej will be equal to B into J plus 1 centimeter per minus 1. The moment of inertia I equal to mu r square. This is the important equation in rotational spectra. Using this equation we can calculate the internuclear distance between the in the molecule. Mu is the reduced mass and this value mu equal to m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2 multiplied by 1 by n. R is the internuclear distance or bond length. The microwave spectrum of a diatomic molecule consists of a series of equally spaced lines with a separation of 2b. If you look the figure, the energy difference between the two successive energy level is 2b. The rotational transition with delta J equal to plus or minus plus 1, it gives R branch. Delta J is equal to minus 1, it gives P branch. Delta G equal to 0, it is forbidden transition and it gives Q branch. The selection rule for rotational vibrational transition are delta D equal to plus or minus 1 and delta J equal to plus or minus 1. The effect of isotopic substitution. 1. That there is no change in the internuclear distance. 2. There is a change in the B values. That is, the B value is reduced when an atom is replaced by its isotopes. The rotational constant is inversely proportional to reduced mass. Therefore, B by B dash will be equal to mu dash by mu. In the case of carbon monoxide, C12O16, the rotational constant value is 3.84235 centimeter per minus 1. The C12 is replaced by isotope C13. The rotational constant value for C13O16 is 3.67337. Comparing the two values, we may find there is a small decrease in the rotational constant value. Now you consider the types of molecule. There are three types of molecule. The first one is spherical top molecule. For that, the moment of inertia are equal in all axes. Ia equal to Ib is equal to Ic. Therefore, these type of molecule do not possess permanent dipole moment. Example, CH4 and SF6, and these molecules are microwave inactive. In the case of symmetric top molecule, Ia is equal to Ib, which is less than Ic. Example, CH3Cl, C6H6 and BCl3, and these molecules possess permanent dipole moment and they are microwave active. For asymmetric top molecule, Ia is not equal to Ib is not equal to Ic, and this type of molecules shows three rotational constant. The best example is water, and it possesses permanent dipole moment and it is also microwave active. Now let us, if we know the key points of rotational spectra very clearly, then you can answer for the objective questions very easily. The first question is rotational spectrum is shown by A H2, B Cl2, C CO2, D CO. Here H2, Cl2 and CO2 these molecules do not possess permanent dipole moment. Therefore, these molecules are rotational microwave inactive. The compound CO is microwave active. Therefore, the option D is correct. Second question. The condition for compound to show rotational spectra: A should be symmetric, should undergo change in the dipole moment during the rotational transition, C should possess permanent dipole moment, D should be a liquid. We already discussed in the condition to get rotational spectra, the molecule should possess permanent dipole moment. Therefore, the option C is correct. Question number 3. The frequency of absorption 2 to 3 energy level will be. If we consider the Ej value, Ej will be equal to B into J plus 1. You put J equal to 2, the energy Ej will be equal to 6B. If we put J equal to 3, and Ej will be equal to 12B. If you take the difference 12B minus 6B, that will be equal to 6B. Therefore, the correct option is D. The rotational spectrum of a rigid diatomic molecule consists of equally spaced lines with a spacing equal to B, B by 2, 3B by 2 and 2B. We already discussed in rotational spectrum the energy levels are equally spaced between the two energy level with a value of 2B. Therefore, the correct answer is D. In the rotational spectrum, transition are only observed between the rotational energy level of delta J equal to. Here you have to consider the selection tool. According to the selection tool, delta J equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, the option A is correct. Question number 6. The increasing in the rotational energy shows the absorption spectrum: IR region, UV region, visible region and microwave region. The correct answer, the microwave. Which of the following molecule shows microwave rotational spectrum? Option A H2, option B CH3Cl, option C SF6, option D CH4. H2, SF6 and CH4, these molecules do not possess permanent dipole moment, and these type of molecules are microwave inactive. Therefore, CH3Cl alone has permanent dipole moment and this molecule is microwave active. The rotational constant for HCl35 is found to be 10.5909 cm per minus 1. The value of rotational constant for HCl 37 is, here you consider, we already discussed, when an atom is replaced by its isotope, we find there is a small decreasing in the rotational constant. You consider the option D, the value is 10.575. Compared with the HCl 35 value, small amount is reduced. Therefore, the option D is correct. The microburst spectrum of a molecule yields 3 rotational constant. The molecule is Polarite symmetric type, second one is spherical top, C asymmetric top, and D oblate symmetric top. And here the asymmetric top molecule shows 3 rotational constant. Therefore, the correct answer is C. For a diatomic molecule AB, the energy of rotational transition from J equal to 0 to J equal to 1 state is 3.9 centimeter per minus 1. The energy for the transition J equal to 3 to J equal to 4 state would be A 3.9 centimeter per minus 1, B 7.8 centimeter per minus 1, C 11.7 centimeter per minus 1, D 15.6 centimeter per minus 1. If you consider J equal to 0 to J equal to 1, the EJ will be equal to 2B, that 2B will be equal to 3.9. Similarly, J equal to 3 to J equal to 4, you consider delta EJ, that will be equal to 8B. Therefore, the first value 3.9 is multiplied by 4, you will get the value of 8B. The correct answer is 15.6 centimeter per minus 1.